The question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 4x plus 5, find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha minus beta the whole square. Now, given the polynomial is 2x square minus 4x plus 5. Here, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 5. We know that sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. So substituting the values, minus of minus 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 divided by 2, that's equal to 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Now the product of roots, alpha beta is equal to c by a, that's equal to c is 5 and a is equal to 2, that's equal to 5 by 2. So alpha beta is equal to 5 by 2. Now we need to find alpha square plus beta square. We know that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That implies we can write a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So apply this condition here. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now substitute these values. Alpha plus beta is 2. 2 the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is 5 by 2. That's equal to 2 and 2 cancel. That's equal to 4 minus 5. That's equal to minus 1. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus 1. Next option is alpha minus beta the whole square. We know that a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Or we can write that a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Because a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab. That's equal to a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. That is a minus b the whole square. So we can write like this. Now substitute these values here. That is a plus b. So we can write alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Now substitute these values here. Alpha plus beta is 2. 2 the whole square minus 4 into 5 by 2. That's equal to 2. That's equal to 4 minus 10. That's equal to minus 6. That is alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to minus 6. Hence the final answers are alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus 1 and alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to minus 6. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.